chocolate Easter eggs.
Here we go on Easter Sunday, getting our workout. My husband and I are doing our farmer's walk with weights. How you feel, honey?
Wonderful.
Wonderful?
I'm trying to. And all up there is hide.
You know working?
Yeah, they're walking.
You're not hitting the brake, are you?
Go, Mom! There's my mom going for an heavyweight exercise.
Oh, this is easy. What's so hard about this?
I know! Faster! I can see you guys up close.
That's it, Brianna. Keep going. Don't look at me.
You have it on camera?
Yeah, I got it on video. Because nobody will believe me if I say you're pushing Dad's car. And look, that car's moving. Look at the wheels. They're moving. That's all Brianna. Go. Keep going, legs. And that car is off. Woo.